Hello everyone, myself Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of the first double-blinded controlled clinical trial and Nuremberg trial. So talking about the first double-blinded control trial which was conducted in the year of 1943 and 1944. So it was done in early 1943 in order to the allocation of the used alterations to the patients to patulin or a placebo treatment. The results were striking that 55 out of 95 patients given patulin showed recovery or got recovered during the trial compared to 8 of the 85 groups patients in the placebo control group. The Medical Research Council, that is MRC, so the Medical Research Council Patulin Committee of 1943 was chaired by Sir Harold Himsworth and was its statisticians were M. Greenwood and W.J. Martin. So after the World War II, the few years after the discovery of the penicillin, the London biochemist noticed that Royal Navy showed another extracted form of the penicillium which they named as the penicillium patulinium, which was beneficial in the common cold. So the Lancet discussion on the patulinium chemical and biological properties was done. John Faulkner, one of the coordinator of the committee, was coordinating, and thousands of vice and factory workers with cold were enrolled from the nation worldwide. The doctor and the patient were blinded to the nature of the contents of the each treatment bottle of the and the code letter for the treatment. Special precautions were taken in addition to using the 4 different codes, that is Q, R, S and T. Nurse made allocations, strict rotations in separate room which was filled with the record counterfoil and detached the code for the appropriate treatment and the label of the bottle. Before returning the patient to the doctor, the statisticians passed an effectively random concurrent allocations of patulin or controlled solutions to the participants, to the all whom the cold was happened. So in this event, trial results analyzed showed that no protective effect, then disappointing outcome for the rigorously controlled trial. Then now talking about the Nuremberg trial. It was held against by the Allies. Nuremberg trial was held by the Allies against the representatives of Nazi Germany for plotting and carrying out the invasions of other countries and atrocities against their citizens in World War II. Between 20th November 1945 and 1 October 1946, International Military Tribunal 21 leaders of the most surviving leaders of the Nazi Germany in political, military and economical spaces. Purpose of trial was not only to convict the defendants but also to assemble the irrefutable crimes of evidence of Nazi crimes. The Nuremberg trials was a series of military tribunals that held in World War II or after the World War II to prosecute prominent leaders of the Nazi Germany for war crimes, that crimes against humanity and other offenses. In this trial, doctor's trial, out of 23, 15 were found guilty in 1947, where the 15 were hung for the crimes they made against the humanity, and rest of them were 3 of them were lifetime imprisonments and some with severe legal allegations. Now experiments which they conducted were on twin studies, then freezing response, malaria experiment, mustard gas experiment, sulfonamide experiment, seawater experiment and sterilization experiment. Thank you.